The project had been in the planning stage for 7 years and was estimated to cost $1.2 million. Despite securing successful funding, the project came to a standstill due to the struggle to obtain construction permits.
We do not care.
A local beaver colony took matters into their own hands and built a natural dam in the perfect location. According to the Birdie Protected Landscape Area Administration, PLA, the beavers built their dams almost exactly where the planned constructions were intended.